Hello bachon, let's see the question here. The indicator phenol red is half in the ionic form when pH is 7.2. If the ratio of the undissociated form to the ionic form is 1:5, find the pH of the solution. With the same pH for the solution, if indicator is altered such that the ratio of undissociated form to dissociated form becomes 1:4, find the pH when 50% of the new indicator is in ionic form. Here I'll start the solution और सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे with key concept in this case. So here it is said that we have a acidic indicator. Reaction for that indicator, this will be HIN and this will dissociate in H plus and IN minus. So for this case, pH, this will be equal to pK for IN plus log of concentration of IN minus divided by concentration of HIN. So here pH it is given as 7.2. This will be equal to pK for IN plus log of, यहाँ पे हमें क्या बोला गया है, यहाँ पे बोला गया है that half the indicator is in ionic form. That means यहाँ पे जो concentration है IN minus और HIN की वो same होगी. That is here this will be 1:1. For this case, the value of pKIN, this comes as 7.2 in this case. Next, moving forward, हमें क्या बोला गया है? The ratio of the undissociated form to the ionic form is 1:5. That means for this case, now ratio is altered and that is 1:5. 1 किसके लिए है? ये है undissociated के लिए and 5 is for ionic part. हमें यहाँ पे pH find out करनी है. So for this case, pH this will be equal to pKIN. This is 7.2 plus log of ionic part की क्या ratio given है? 5 divided by undissociated का है 1. Okay? And when we solve this expression, in this case, pH is 7.9 here. Now it is said that for the new case, ratio here, it is altered as 4 for dissociated form and 1 for undissociated form. That is, it is 1:4. This is undissociated, whereas 4 is for dissociated part. In this case, here pH it is same as we have calculated for 1:5 because it is said in the question. So that means 7.9. This will be equal to, now here we will let pKa because we have to find out this value plus log of, for dissociated part we have concentration as 4:1 for undissociated one. So for this case, when we will solve the value pKa, in this case new, this will be equal to 7.3 here. So here finally we have to find out the pH when 50% of the new indicator is in ionic form. Okay, that means यहाँ पे ratio क्या हो जाएगा? 1:1 हो जाएगा. That 50% it is undissociated and 50% it is in ionic form. So finally, for this case, pH, this will be equal to pKa, that is 7.3 plus log of, जो ionic part है उसका ratio given है 1:, undissociated का given है 1. And when we solve this, here this is 7.3 and log 1 is 0. That is, value for this case, that is new pH will be 7.3. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.